Hey guys, so ignore my face. I just got out of the shower and I woke up kind of late today, but I still wanted to do this video. And I was like, I didn't really want to get up because it's like one of those days and it's a Saturday. So, but I still wanted to film this video and I had a lot of stuff to do, so I had to get up. But yeah, today I'm going to be doing a challenge. Well, I don't know if I would call it a challenge or not, because I've always been interested in like veganism and vegetarianism. And yeah, I didn't do my makeup, so I just had like a really stressful long week. So yeah, that is why my face looks like that. So I've just been eating really bad lately, so I figured, you know what, this could actually probably help me and I'd be more likely to stick to like doing all this if I'm filming myself. So I thought I would do a video trying to go vegan for a day, and it might actually like clear up my skin. Yeah, I'm like really hungry. It is like 10 o'clock right now and I decided to do an acai bowl. And I thought I would explain that this is like me trying to be vegan, so I'm sorry if I mess something up that's not vegan, but I'm pretty sure everything that I'm making today is, because I did my research. So yeah, I'm strictly just doing the vegan diet. I'm not really doing the whole, because there's different definitions to like vegan, vegetarian. I cannot talk. Vegetarian is basically they just cut out all meat, but they still eat dairy and like other stuff. Vegan is where they cut out basically everything that comes from animals, like meat, dairy products, and they just stick to plant-based things. Even the makeup that they wear and the clothes that they wear, they don't like to wear stuff that has animal-based products in it. But I thought, you know, I'm just doing this for a day and I'm mostly just focusing on the diet part of it. So yeah, I thought I would explain that. And I think I would most likely just become vegetarian, because vegan seems a little bit too hard right now because I'm still living at home. So maybe I would do that like once I get on my own and I'm buying my own groceries. And if you want to know the other two recipes, I always link my Pinterest down below in the description. So you can find the recipes on my Pinterest, because I don't want to go all into detail, but I will still show you what I'm going to be doing today, plus a taste test. So yeah, let's just get started. Sorry about the angle, but I can't find my acai packs. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I used the last one of it last weekend, so I'm going to be making a smoothie bowl instead. But yeah, it's still vegan, so it doesn't really matter, so let's just continue on with the video. So I'm going to start by putting almond milk in this because that's vegan. So yeah, I kind of stopped drinking like whole milk because it's like dairy and I don't know, I think it makes me break out. Plus it kind of like it gags me, so I just started drinking almond milk. So I'm just going to add a banana to this and some fruit. Okay, so it's done now, and yeah, it turned out kind of purplish. Still kind of looks like an acai bowl, but yeah, I ran out, so oh well. That's like one of my favorite breakfasts in the morning. I just love acai bowls. I cannot get this open. Okay, there we go. And yeah, I'll see you when I'm done for the taste test. Okay guys, so here it is. I put some berries on top, some agave, some chia seeds, vegan granola, and coconut flakes. I'm not sure if coconut flakes are vegan, but oh well, too late. This is a video of me trying to be vegan, so sorry if I get some things wrong, but I'm trying my best. And then I made some matcha green tea. I'm so excited. I'm hungry. It's like 10:25 right now. Yeah, this is really good. Like, I love having smoothies, parfaits, oatmeal, acai bowls. I love all that, especially in the morning. So yeah, I still need to take my vitamins too. My mom does doTERRA oils, so yeah, she gets them wholesale. So I get like all my vitamins and my face wash and everything from there. But yeah, I'm going to finish my breakfast and get started with my day, and I will see you at lunchtime. Hey guys, so I finished getting ready and I did a bunch of stuff, and it is now 2, so I think I'm gonna make a wrap because I'm starting to get a bit hungry. So yeah, let's just do that. Hey guys, so I just got home from work and I'm starting to get hungry again. So yeah, I thought I would make this, it's kind of like a Chipotle bowl, but it's vegan. And by the way, that wrap was like really good. I'm definitely going to make that more often for my lunch. And if you're wondering what I drink, I'm just drinking water throughout the day. And yeah, I think I might have a little bit of a snack before I make dinner. I bought these vegan Reese's peanut butter cups, but it's like dark chocolate with almond butter and it's really good. So yeah, but I thought I would just update you, and also just a reminder, I am linking, well, it's so windy outside. Okay, you didn't even see that. My Pinterest is linked down below, so if you want to know how I'm making everything, I'm not going into detail or anything, but you could probably just tell by watching me. Hey guys, so I realized I didn't film an outro. Well, I tried to, but I waited too long to when the lighting was really bad, and yeah, I didn't like how the ending was, so I'm redoing this. So yeah, this was a really fun video to film. I'm thinking of doing a part 2 in the summertime because I think it's just, I don't know, it's just really fun and I'll have more time. So like maybe I could do going vegan for a week, and yeah. So I have 2 more weeks of school left and then I'll have more time to film videos for you guys. So yeah, that's really exciting. So yeah, I just felt really clean and healthy after eating all that. So that's why I want to do like a part 2. And yeah. All of the recipes will be linked down below in my Pinterest, so you can check it out there. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!